Hello, my name is Laura Camila Barreto Robles. I am 17 years old. I live in Honda. My eyes are brown and dark. I am late shabby. I love listening to music. I do it all the time. When I want to sleep, when I go to bed, when I am happy or sad, when I am bored, etc. All the time. I don't like music very much. I am lazy in that senses, but when I have to do it, I do it with no problem because I know that is good for me. I am not a book lover, but I love Padre Rico, Padre Pobre a lot about to make our money to work for us and not work for him. My high school social teacher recommended it to me and I really like it. Although I have another favorite, it's still navigating over the swan. It is a book about the problems of different teenagers like every day. It is very good. I love being able to share a little more about myself. My favorite celebration was as a 15 years old. It was 2 years ago at my grandmother's house. My dress was skin blue with a silver bow on my waist and the bottom of the dress I had small flowers. Of food we had good salad, stewed pig and drinks, champagne, wine and passion fruit cocktail. As my daddy is it, my uncle Mario was the one who changed my shoes. My mom put on my right. His white world family is very beautiful. There was serenade, and my cousin was the DJ. It was a lot of fun. Just that at 2 a.m. the power went out for 5 minutes. It was the best day of my life. The house is always swept in the afternoon. Intermediate day is weeds and mops. On Sundays there is always a general cleaning. Sometimes the kitchen lasts clean for several times, so it's fixed and cleaning every 15 days. As I work part-time in the warehouse, I have little time to perform the tasks, but I always try to keep the house clean. I also wash my clothes on Sundays. I was hit by hat. My boyfriends help me flying the tiny drum, and the room is cleaning every day. Now I am reading a book called Father 4. I listen to music all the time. I love music. My favorite singer is Justin Bieber. I am fan of the series. Right now I am watching 3. Every night before bed is a chapter in series called Vampire Chronicles. In the afternoons when I have a time to see a series called Lucifer. And when I get rest, I see more series called The Originals. I am fanatic of fantasy, whether it's series or movies. Every day at 7 a.m. I am getting ready to go to work. Every day at 7 p.m. I am have dinner or prepare my thing for the next day. The weather in my city is crazy. Sometimes it's very hot, but sometimes it's also very cold. When it's hot, we We must wear thin and fresh clothes. We must wear cap when it is very cold. We always have to carry an umbrella. We must wear jackets. We must wear a scarf. We must wear sweaters and thin pants. We must wear a wool hat, and if it's too cold, gloves. The end. Thank you.